Hello all, welcome back to Universal Channeling Service. I'm here today to deliver a message to you, and my intention is that you will benefit from the message. Today I'd like to talk about the Kundalini. In my last video about the root chakra, I mentioned the Kundalini a couple of times, but I didn't get into explaining it. So now I'd like to explain actually what it is and how you can use it in your spiritual evolution process. So we all have a divine energy within us that we carry with us from lifetime to lifetime. That is your Kundalini. But when you are born, it lies dormant in your root chakra. When you begin to ascend, when you awaken spiritually and you enter the 7 initiations of Ascension, that is when your Kundalini will begin to rise up. So it begins down in your root chakra at the bottom of your spine, and it rises through each chakra, and when it gets to the top, it would be in your crown chakra at the top of your head. That would be the 7th initiation. Now, there are different ways to get to that level, Kundalini, and some of them are actually dangerous without the proper techniques to make sure that you're prepared, because we are naturally doing this process by meditation, and we are grounding and all those defensive things. By the way, grounding is the process of releasing energy from our chakras and sending it back into the earth, the energy that no longer serves us, or the energy that we picked up from other places. Especially if you're an empath, you might pick up energy, and grounding is a way of sending it back to the earth and just letting it leave our field. So it's very important that we are grounding, because that's our first level of defense against energies that are not ours or that do not serve us. But certain techniques can cause the Kundalini to rise up before we are ready. And a couple of those things are Kundalini yoga, hallucinogenic drugs, and also practicing divination. So all of those things you don't want to do without the proper grounding. What happens is you'll get sort of disconnected from Earth, and you will not be conscious in your body, and you will go into sort of an autopilot mode where you are just going through the motions. And what happens in that state is that accidents are more likely to happen. It can cause an ascension fever, which can cause you to feel drained, crazy, anxious, out of alignment, and all of those things really can create accidents. So that's why grounding is going to be your first line of defense against any of those things. Now, basically, when you are grounding, it's kind of like you're building a foundation, and you want to start at the lower level. You want to make sure that your root chakra, the first chakra, is grounded and ready to hold that energy as your Kundalini rises into the 2nd chakra and beyond. So it's kind of like leveling up in a video game, where you get to the next level and you open up and you have more power, you have better relationships, better protection over yourself as you're learning these techniques. But you're also going to face bigger challenges, because now you're ready for those challenges. And if you were just to stay doing the same thing that you've been doing, then you're not going to grow. And the whole point of coming to this planet in a human body is to grow and to learn and to experience. And so we want our Kundalini to rise up, but we just want to make sure that we are properly grounded and we have that solid foundation beforehand. So now that you know all that about your Kundalini, you're probably wondering, where yours is at. And it's pretty easy to find out. You can just go into meditation and ask, where is my Kundalini? And you should get a feel for it. It could be at the 3rd level, it could be at the 4th level. You'll feel it in your body, which chakra it's in. If you look at a chakra map, you could see where all of the chakras are located, so that wherever you feel it, you can look at the map and connect the two. And then if you watch my chakra videos, I will be sharing with you how to heal each one. I've already made the root chakra video, and in the future I'm going to make videos for all of the other chakras. So I will go ahead and end this video. I just want to remind you to use your spiritual resources as you go through life and you go through your own growth process. And meditation is the best medication. I will see you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.